headlight, main beam bulb change on a Mini. From inside the engine bay, so there's two covers. The circular one to the front of the car is the main beam, and the oval shaped one towards the back is your dip beam. Cover off. Disconnect the electrics. Push this tab here, push inwards and sideways. That reveals the bulb. So get your new bulb. This flat edge here goes on the inside, as so. Hold in place. Get this wiring here that holds it in place. Push down. Sideways. Reconnect the electrics. Put the cover back on. And you're done.